For this costume dress party, I want to dress up as Maleficent. What do you think? Yeah, that's a great idea. I want to win this. We will need purple Play-Doh and black Play-Doh, rolling pin, cutting knife, and let's dress up Elsa as Maleficent. All set and ready to win the Halloween dress competition. Oh, awesome, Elsa. You look amazing. I'm gonna make sure that I win this dress competition. Well, guys, thank you for watching our videos. Stay tuned for a lot more awesome videos right here on Disney Toys Fan Club.